Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. So we've got a piece of acacia on the mill. So it's about 14 feet long. At that end it's about 30-inch diameter, and then at this end, because it's got the fork, it's a bit more squished. It's about 22 inches in height there, but the diameter there is probably like 30 inches, I'm guessing. But this seems to be the best way that it sits, so I think there's sort of more of a hump here, and then after this limb it drops down. So I'm going to get a few partial slabs from here, and then I'll take a full cut and then we'll flip it. So there should be some nice grain around in there. It's all looking twisted and everything, so I think, fingers crossed, there'll be some really nice slabs coming out of this. There seems to be a bit of a wasp nest in this end down here, so I sprayed it. I've been stung, but fingers crossed I've got rid of it. Another limb here as well, so yeah, we should be looking good. I think it's going to be some nice slabs. I've cut a smaller piece of acacia which I really liked, so fingers crossed this will be similar but just much bigger. So I'm hoping if I can get 4 full length good slabs out of it, that'll be nice. We'll see how it goes, and then like I say, I'll get a couple of half slabs at that end. So let's get it set up. Let's start milling a couple of these slabs and then get it turned over. Okay, so this is looking absolutely phenomenal already. I don't think this is going to be much of a slab though, but because it's going to split here where the bark inclusion is. But just as a sneak peek, that is looking very nice, very nice indeed. So okay, I think there's still a couple of wasps coming out of here, so I'll have to keep my eye on that. Got a spray can at the ready. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So we'll pull those 2 slabs off and then we'll roll it over. Now we've got a full flat, but let's do a quick water pop. Okay, let's go around the other side so I don't cast a shadow. That is looking nice. That is looking really nice. It's a bit more yellow than the last one I cut, but the last one I cut was a lot more of this color and that color, but maybe once we get deeper into the log that'll be the case. So, but that's looking pretty nice. So okay, I'll get them pulled off and then yeah, like I say, we'll flip it over and get the rest cut. Okay, so we got this all milled up. Let's oh, it might be the bee's nest. Let's get this pulled off. We'll get it stacked and do a couple of water pops and see what we got in the middle of the log. So, but that cut well, actually it went very well, so that's good. All right, yeah, let's get you set up and we'll get stacking. Okay, well that's looking pretty nice. Still got a little bit of the bark there, just with all those divots and everything in it, but that is looking nice. Looking nice indeed. Yeah, I like it. And then I'm still having a whole bunch of wasps come out of here. So, oh, there's another one. Oh, that's a massive one. Okay, let's get a couple more stacked. looking nice again. I'm hoping it will oxidize a bit. Like I say, the last ones I had were chocolatey brown. If I have a picture, I'll put it up. But it still looks nice. I still like it. There's obviously a bit of rot in there, and then all this end has rotted out. That was where the wasp nest was. There's a little wasp, but I think I got it, so that's okay. So, but yeah, no, they're looking nice. They got lots of grain, lots of colour, a few little bullseyes here obviously going on, but yeah, no, looking good. Okay, last one with the water pop, looking nice. That's a couple of bullseyes going on, little hollow piece here, but no, it's looking good. And then some more bullseyes down here. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's pretty nice there as well. And around that bullseye, that's good. Alrighty, let's get these strapped. Alrighty, that's strapped up. I forgot about this other one, so I just put that on. That's good. And the strap we have is just those couple of pieces there, which is good. So it's not much scrap at all. Alrighty, well, oh yeah, and there's the remnant of the wasp nest and everything. So, but all right, well, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, really appreciate it, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.